A function is a rule that maps each x value to just one y value for a defined set of input values. This y value is a unique value for some particular value of x. Take an example. Fx equals to 3x plus 1 is a function in which x is input and fx is output. Like, you can plug any value of in place of x to get the y value or fx value. For example, I'm plugging x equals to 2 in the function. So 2 is my input value, and this will give 3 into 2 plus 1 equals to 7. So 7 is your output value. So function is a rule which map x value onto fx value, or input values to output values. The set of input values for a function is called the domain of the function. The set of output values for a function is called the range of the function. For example, f is a rule which map x values onto fx values. Then the set of x value is domain, and the set of y value or fx value is range. Inverse function go in reverse order, like it map y onto x. Composite function is a combination of two or more functions. We can say when one function is followed by another function, the resulting function is a composite function. Like in this example, we have two functions, fx equals to 1 plus 4x and gx equals to x squared. And suppose we are finding gf3. Now gf3 is a composite function because you can see two functions, g and f. So in order to solve, you first solve f3. You will start from the right hand side. f3 is like plugging 3 in place of x in fx. So in this function, I'm plugging 3 in place of x. So when I do so, I'll get 13. Now, since gx is x squared, so gf3 means in place of x, I will write the whole f3, which is 13. So g13 is 13 squared equals to 169. This is my answer. Now I have to find fgx, and fgx is like in place of x of f, I will put the whole gx. Mind it that fx is 1 plus 4x and gx is x squared. So when I write fgx, I'm plugging x squared in place of gx because gx is x squared. On simplification, I will get 1 plus 4x squared. Take another example. Fx is 8 minus 3x. Gx is 10 over x plus 1, where x cannot take value minus 1. And hx is 2 raised to the power x. So in part A part 1, you have to find hf 8 over 3. So once again, you will solve from the right hand side. You will find f 8 over 3. So this is like plugging 8 over 3 in place of x in your function fx. When you do so, you will get 0. So hf 8 over 3 is like, since this is 0, so you will write 0 in place of f 8 over 3. So your h is h0 is 2 raised to the power 0. You will write 0 in place of x and you will get 1. So it is part 2, you have to find gh minus 2. You always start from the right hand side, h minus 2. H minus 2 is to write minus 2 in place of x of hx. This is your hx. So when you plug minus 2, you will get this. On simplification, it will be 1 over 4. So the whole of gh minus 2 is like plugging h minus 2, which is 1 over 4, in place of x of gx. You have gx. So when you plug 1 over 4, which is the value of g1, which is the value of h minus 2, so you will get, on simplification, 8, which is your answer. Now this is very interesting and important, how to find inverse of a function. There is a method. So first of all, you follow this red step. Suppose you are looking for g inverse x, so you have to suppose y equals to gx. Now here y is the subject. Do some algebra, so you will get x as a subject. So on simplification, you will get x equals to 10 over y minus 1. Now here you separated x. So once x is separated, you will write g inverse x, in which you will replace y by x. So your answer is 10x minus 1, which you can further simplify as this. So both way it is correct. In order to find f inverse f5, f inverse and f both will cancel out and you will get 5. In order to find fx plus gx, you simply plug the value of fx and gx and simplify. It's only algebra. So on simplification, you will get this as the final answer.